What's up guys, hola amigos, and welcome to another video. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe and share to the channel. And today we're going to do beef dripping chips, the original British chips. So I hope you enjoy the video and let's get on with this one. So you will need beef dripping. I've got some wonderful grass-fed beef dripping and I'm using Rooster potatoes as I've found them better than Maris and better than King Edward. They seem to have a nice even colouring. First stage is to peel your potatoes. Next, cut your potatoes into nice thick chips. Next, run your chips under the cold water and leave until the water runs clear. This will rinse all the starch off. Add salt to a pan and boil your potatoes until nearly falling apart. Take a look at these guys, perfect. They're nearly falling apart. They practically are falling apart, which means the edges are going to absorb the fat and make a wonderful chip. I prefer to dry them on a rack because if I was to dry these in a colander, what would happen is they would fall apart, especially if they were shaken. So I think it's much more better to do it this way. I would then dry them in the fridge for at least a couple of hours before putting them in the oven, or if not, even better, overnight. So this is the fat I'm using. This is real beef dripping, mostly grass-fed and non-GMO beef dripping. This is the real deal, guys. This has flavour, it's not colourless, it's not been altered. But if you're vegan, guys, use extra virgin olive oil and you'll get a great result too. But in this case, I'm not vegan, so I'm going to use animal fat, duck fat, goose fat, any fat of a high quality from an animal, you know where it's been raised. Use this, this will give a great flavour. I've melted the dripping on the hob, but now I'm going to add my chips, which have dried out in the fridge for a few hours until they sizzle. If they don't sizzle, don't put them on. And then once they sizzle and are covering the oil, I'm going to put them in the oven. It's very important, guys, that you cover that beef dripping all over them before you put them in the oven to get that lovely even colouring and that nice crispy edge. Place in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius. Give them a good turn every 10 minutes until golden, crispy and brown like this. Look at the colour of these, guys. There they are, lovely and crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside, and I've added some unrefined sea salt, and you can add some vinegar if you like to, which we do here in England. So guys, if you like what you see, you want to see more recipes, you want to see more food analysis of the ingredients so we can put the best stuff in our body, please like, subscribe and share the channel so it grows. Thanks a lot, guys.